Ball, Evie. Throw it. Yeah. Now stay here. Aiden will throw it back to us. Okay, throw it to us, Aiden. Okay, catch. Swim and get it. Swim. I got you. Swim. Get the ball. Okay, hold on to the rope. Hold on. You can still stand already. You're so tall. Look. See, you're already standing. Just put your feet straight out. I got you. Put your feet straight out. I got you. Okay, now stand regular.
No.
Put your head up so you can breathe. Put your head up.
No.
Stick your head up this way. Listen to me. I got you. Okay, stick your head up like this. Stick it up. Now stand. Normal. You're so tall. Look, you only stand next to Aiden. Look at Aiden. See? Your head is face up here. Stand normal. Look. Oh yeah, look at Logan. He's so good. Okay, you stand.
Look it. Watch this.
Stand. See? That's it. You're already standing. Look, I'm not even holding you. See? You like it?
I want to get like ball.
Okay, walk over there. You're so tall. You're not gonna fall. Okay, just hold one hand. Only hold me one hand. Okay, walk slowly. Use your hands. Swim back and forth like this. See? Why don't you play with Chubb? She's playing by herself. Why don't you play with Chubb? Okay, give that to Evie. Oh, throw it to Chubb. Throw it to Chubb. Anak, Chubb ka?
Which one do you want?
Oh, there's another ball.
Aiden.